Imagine this: you brush your teeth every day, maybe even floss. But deep within your smile, a silent invader is working overtime, not just threatening your teeth, but potentially your heart. I'm Dr. Michael Anderson, and with over 30 years of experience in dental and systemic health, I've seen how dental plaque, often underestimated, can silently lead to inflammation, cavities, and even cardiovascular disease. Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful, research-backed protocol to fight tartar naturally, protect your enamel, and strengthen your health from the inside out. This isn't a quick trick, it's science, and it works. Tartar, also known as dental calculus, forms when plaque, a sticky film of bacteria, hardens on your teeth. This is more than a cosmetic issue. According to the Mayo Clinic and National Institute of Dental and Craniofacial Research, NIDCR, tartar buildup can lead to gum disease, tooth decay, bad breath, and even more severe conditions like heart disease and dementia. One of the main culprits? A bacterium called Streptococcus mutans. This microbe thrives on sugar and starch, producing acid that erodes enamel and forms a sticky protective shield called biofilm. What's more alarming, S. mutans has been found by NIH researchers on heart valves and in arterial plaque, linking oral health directly to cardiovascular risk. Most people know that sugar is bad for their teeth. But do you know what's worse? Sugar combined with starch. A 2020 study in the Journal of Dental Research confirmed that the combination of sugar and starch creates a glue-like compound that adheres to the teeth far longer than sugar alone. Think about a sweet bun, or a sandwich with jelly on white bread. Delicious? Yes. But also a dangerous mix that fuels the biofilm. And for many seniors, the problem is compounded by dry mouth, xerostomia, a common side effect of medications. Saliva normally neutralizes acids and cleanses the mouth. Without it, plaque formation accelerates dramatically. Let's get practical. Here's the natural, science-backed tartar fighting protocol I recommend to my patients. It's simple, affordable, and based on real research. Step 1. Hydrogen peroxide, 3%, food grade. Use 1/2 teaspoon, mixed with water. Breaks down biofilm and gently whitens teeth. Approved by the ADA and CDC for safe oral use in low concentrations. Step 2. Baking soda. Add 1/2 teaspoon. Gently scrubs tartar and neutralizes acidity in your mouth. Mimics bicarbonate your body naturally produces to balance pH. Step 3. Clove oil, 3 drops. Known for its strong antibacterial and pain-relieving properties. Research from NIH shows clove oil disrupts biofilm and reduces gum inflammation. Step 4. Microcrystalline hydroxyapatite, MCHA, powder, 1/2 teaspoon. A natural mineral found in enamel and bones. Helps remineralize weakened enamel, especially useful for seniors. Backed by Carey's Research Journal and used in Japan as a fluoride alternative. Step 5. Add 3 teaspoons of water and mix. Combine everything into a paste. Brush gently in circular motions, once daily. This method not only breaks down tartar but strengthens enamel and helps prevent future buildup. Let me share a real case with you. Edward, 67, from Des Moines, Iowa, struggled with tartar buildup and bleeding gums for years. According to an AARP health report, 2023, his oral health was declining despite regular brushing. His daughter, a nurse, came across research on hydroxyapatite and clove oil being used in Japanese dental protocols. She encouraged Edward to try the DIY protocol. Within 8 weeks, Edward reported less bleeding while brushing, visibly cleaner teeth, improved breath, fewer visits to the dentist. He shared his results on a local senior health forum, and dozens of others followed suit with similar success. That's the power of practical, evidence-based care. Surprise! One of the best dietary additions for your teeth is grass-fed butter. Why? It's rich in vitamin K2, helps direct calcium to your bones and teeth instead of arteries. Vitamin A, crucial for enamel strength. Butyrate, a compound that feeds healthy gut cells and reduces inflammation. Drive Weston A. Price, a dentist and pioneer in nutritional anthropology in the 1930s, found that traditional societies consuming high K2 diets, like those with grass-fed butter, had nearly zero tooth decay even without toothbrushes. Adding a small amount of grass-fed butter to your diet, alongside leafy greens and fermented foods, can fortify both your smile and your whole body health. Here are additional tools to help maintain a tartar-free, vibrant smile. Chew probiotic gum, especially those with Lactobacillus reuteri or Streptococcus salivarius. These beneficial bacteria crowd out plaque-forming microbes. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water throughout the day to stimulate saliva flow. Limit frequent snacking, every snack restarts the acid cycle in your mouth. Give your teeth time to recover between meals. Dr. Susan Mallory from Cleveland Clinic calls saliva the unsung hero of oral health. A healthy mouth isn't just about what you brushed with but how you eat, drink, and manage your microbial balance. Let's summarize what you can start doing now. Cut back on the sugar-starch combo, it's a tartar time bomb. Try the tartar removal protocol, just 5 ingredients, 1 time per day. Support your diet with grass-fed butter and veggies, give your teeth the nutrients they need. Hydrate and chew wisely, keep saliva flowing and balance the microbiome in your mouth. Tartar is not just about teeth. It's a sign of systemic health imbalance. But here's the good news, with small, consistent changes backed by science you can regain control over your oral health. And in doing so, you'll protect more than just your smile. You'll be protecting your heart, your brain, and your independence. Because healthy aging doesn't start with medicine. It starts with understanding, nutrition, and the right daily habits. Further reading. Mayo Clinic. NIH, National Institute of Dental and Craniofacial Research. Caries Research Journal. Journal of Dental Research. ADA and CDC Guidelines. AARP Health Report, 2023. Cleveland Clinic Oral Health Division. Weston A. Price Foundation. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement or health routine.